So this is the center, and that's your pubic bone, right? Okay, so it's pubic bone. So pubic bone is here, and what we do from the iliac spine here and here, which now the iliac spine are put at the level of the top of the box right here, which is different from what we did, right? But that's fine. We go with this line here, and that is the inguinal ligament here, right? And that's the genitals. I block this in here, not because I want to block in organic form, but because I want to see the legs. See that? The leg, where they start. And they are here, right next to the genitals, here and here. So, now, center line of gravity will help us. Later, I would like to do this faster, right? We're gonna do it faster. Now, it's a good thing to, it's already, we're gonna be a little bit too fast. All right, so I'm gonna stop, right? I'm gonna stop a second, right? I see that center, right? Yeah, so it gets to the level of the ankle, right? It gets at the level of, should be a little bit higher there with the ankle. All right. We can also block in the 7.5 heads, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5 here. So let's block in now. Oh, you need more time? Oh, okay. Okay. The rib cage is 1.5 the width. I mean, in this work, right? When later on, yeah. See if you, yeah. That's why it's important to block in the first essential volume, first measurement correctly. Because then if this head becomes the ruler, right, I had to have the okay. But yeah, because then once you establish the first measurement, this becomes our reference for all the other measurements. So the first measurement has to be quite accurate. So we saw also that the leg from here, right, to the bottom of the knee is 2 heads, right? We measured that before, so take that. See that head here, and then we have 1, 2, about at the end of the knee. So let's take that. 1, 2, right? So that is the length of the thigh here. The other thigh is longer because it goes down lower, right? So once you can block this thigh here, and we see that this leg tapers a little bit like this, right? And we see from the center line of gravity, we see how much space we have here. So we leave the space we approximate, and we're blocking now the thigh here and here, right? With the, see now how this protrudes, right? This portion here protrudes past the width of the rib cage, which is here. So we have to add the trochanter, right? So we have this and this. And then we have to double this measurement to get to the heel, right? So let's take that measurement because the two are the same, right? So the thigh is 2. The lower leg plus foot is also 2. So that's the foot, right? So we can block in this all straight line. See that? And this is gonna straight, but the ankle gonna poke out like that, right? So the foot is gonna be from the bottom. We're gonna add 1/3. We don't see it, but we're gonna come up a third, and that's gonna be the heel, and we can block in the foot as a wedge, right? I'm gonna show you how to draw the foot, right? Maybe I could make this closer to, no, it's the way it is, right? I'll make it closer. So the knee is here. So I want to show you how to draw the foot, right, in the stereometric rendering. You draw, I think we already discussed it, but I'm going to show it to you again, right? We block in the sphere. We don't see the sphere here. We kind of see the heel here, see that? So we block in the sphere for the heel, and then we block in a wedge. So straight, this line here, from the heel to the front, straight. That gives me the angle, right? This angle here. And then here I block in a wedge. See this part in here, the shadow, right? Block in the side, and then I block in the top of the foot like that. So that is the side. This top of the foot, which I could also make wider like that, but or not, right? And this is now the lower leg. So in this case in here, I kind of see a little bit of the heel there. See that? A little bit of the heel there. So I draw the heel here, and I see that the side of the foot here is almost perpendicular to the ground, so almost vertical. So here, and then I block in. Now I have the heel here, right? And I block in the wedge here like that. Right? For the other leg, right? The other leg should be two heads too, right? Let's see. Yeah, except it starts lower, therefore it ends lower, right? So, yeah, well, that's the thing, right? There's the photograph, depending what it was taken. I think that it was not taken from here; it was taken from slightly below, right? So then there's gonna be, but I mean, it's an exercise. We don't have to be really super precise with this, right? So this leg here now, where we're seeing start higher and ends, start lower and ends lower, right? And we see how the center line of gravity cuts through part of the thigh here, and then we see how this is the end of the leg is it's kind of here, right? It's quite lower, right? Quite lower than the other leg. So that's the other leg right here, and now we connect the two, right? Notice one thing, that because the thighs are conical, right? Truncated cone, even if this leg is diverging that way, going out that way, this is straight because it's tapering, right? Makes sense? So now this is going to be coming in, but this is straight. And that's the knee, where the knee is, which is now seen in foreshortening. And